This again is where the rubber seal is, and you've got the splash plate. That is exactly where you can see the oil would run along this shaft just slightly to be able to get out. But like I say, this rubber seal will cure that problem ever happening. Right, we've just fetched out the remainder of the thread from the camshaft oil feed pipe. It's a common problem that this thread rips out. The owner had actually stuck a little sticker on his oil pipe saying did not tighten, but we've just fetched this debris out of the inside of the oil feed pipe. Obviously, one desperate thing we do not want is bits of thread and swarf following its way around the engine. But yeah, note and look for this issue whenever you're undertaking this task. Right, we're now ready to put the head on. Just to point out, if when you're putting the head gasket on, this one ironically says top on it. Just to give you a clue, if it was totally blank and didn't have top on it, you see these water jackets holes, smaller and larger. Basically, rule of thumb, if they are different, is the larger one goes on the exhaust side. Okay, smaller holes on the carburation side, larger holes on the exhaust side, if it doesn't tell you that it's the top face is there. Some do, some don't. Hopefully that's a bit of knowledge.